Okay, what's up, guys? So, today I just want to break down the chart and show you guys what I'm expecting the price to do from next week. And as you guys know, for those of you guys that used to watch my video, I've not been uploading for a while now just because I don't have an active trading account. So, but I always wish to come up every weekend to at least to analyze the chart for those of you guys that have an active account. So if this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Wisdom Chizoba and I document all my trading journey here on YouTube. So do well to smile the like button, subscribe, comment, and let's get into the video. So as you guys know, I'm a day trader slash a swing trader. So sometimes I hold trades like 2 days, 3 days, no matter what the market gave me. So as long as I'm able to know where exactly the price is going, so that's what always makes me to hold my trade for a long time or for short period of time. So as you guys can see, this is a good chart on 4 hours time frame. What I normally do is I only trade with 3 time frames. I just want to keep it very simple for myself. There's a lot of time frame here, but the more you the more you bring it together for yourself, the more it will be easy for you to be able to know what to do in the market. I trade with 4 hours, which is where I identify my main trend, 1 hour my current trend, and 15 minutes for entry. But I mostly times I always want to stick to 4 hours and 1 hour time frame because as a swing trader I want to see the major information of where the market is going. So looking at it, it is on 4 hours time frame, and we all know that gold has been on uptrend for a very long time now, although sometimes it crash and then go back to the upside. But I don't sorry. So this is an uptrend for me. This is a low, this is a high. Let me use the part two. This is a low that ever came to me. This is a high, a higher low, and this is equal high. It couldn't be able to make a higher high, but rather it couldn't be able to make a lower low. This is a higher low, then finally make a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Then it came back again. This is not a lower low for me. I will still consider it is as a higher low because price have not broken this thing properly. But after identifying this in 4 hours time frame, I would love to go to 1 hour time frame, which is my immediate trend, to see if this from information here correspond with 1 hour time frame. Then this is 1 hour time frame, and this is exactly how it looks like on a 1 hour time frame. It's pretty much the same thing, but let's still analyze it. It's still the same thing. This is a low, this is a low, this is a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, equal high. Then you end up making a higher low again, make a higher high, make a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. This is equal low for me. and I'm expecting price to do all of this and make a higher high. Other to other price should come to 5451 or 5598. That's what I'm expecting price to do from next week. And remember, this is just 1 hour time frame, while 15 minutes time frame where I always get in my trade. In this thing, the best way to make it very easy for yourself is not by putting a bunch of indicator in your chart. If you look at my chart now, my chart is very clean and simple. I can teach anyone how to trade based of this strategy that I'm using. And most times it's not just about the strategy, is about the psychology and how you take the trade, how you manage your trade. Those are the major things that you should know about trading. Not by switching strategy, looking for some good strategy. And you all know that there's no holy grail on this thing. There's no holy grail. So, come. So what I'm expecting to do from gold next week now, going to 15 minutes time frame. This is where I get to take my trade. What I mostly look out before taking a trade on 15 minutes time frame is these are the things that I look at before taking any trade. This depends to first of all, I look out for a trend. Like, what is the trend? Is it an uptrend or downtrend? First trend line. On number two, I look out for my level. I want to know if is the price on support level or is it on a resistance level. And levels. And the last one, I look out for a change of minor structure. Minor structure. Let me 22. Looking at it now, I already identify my trend, knowing that gold trend is an uptrend and price is currently on my level, which is support level. And the next thing that I'll be looking for now is I'll be looking for a change of minor structure. And this on the 15 minutes time frame chart. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This was on a resistance level where gold reached before crashing to this level. So this is a high, this is a lower high, then he end up making a lower low. A lower high. Instead of making a lower low, he make a higher low. Again, he make an equal high, then end up making a lower low. But going further, make a higher low, a lower high instead. Then instead of making a lower low, make a higher low, then and make a higher high. This is a change of minor structure for me. Price might come down below here to then make a higher high. This is exactly what I see before taking a trade on 15 minutes time frame. I want to see price to give me that the bullish information that I'm shifting from selling to buying now. So and with this you can see that price is changing from this going down to selling. It's shifting from selling to buying. And if you look at it now, this is a low, this is another higher low, and you can see now this is another higher low. Price have not been breaking lows. Why you have been respecting lows? Why is breaking highs? That's the an information that I always want to look at, especially on 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame before taking a trade. That is it for gold. So what I'll be expecting price to do from next week is I'm already on a buy trade now, but this is what I'm expecting price to do. Yeah, my stop loss will be the previous low he made before making the higher high, and I'll be targeting this level. But the overall level will be at this level. Will be at the previous high he made. Yeah, fuck, the previous high he made before coming down, which will be here. So that is it for gold. This is exactly what I'm expecting from gold from next week. And whatever happen, I will still come and update you.